Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hello, hello, sweet friends. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. Is Monday not the greatest day of the week? Yes, it is. Okay, so I haven't done this in a while, but I'm very inspired today and very ready to do our declare what we want to come in to our lives, take all that negativity and throw it out the door. Okay, did you do it? Did you get up this morning and did you say to yourself, I'm going to have the greatest day ever. I'm going to have the greatest week ever. Yes, that's right. I am finally going to have a spectacular week ahead. I'm going to have a spectacular day. I'm going to get everything done on my to-do list. And the week is just going to be fantastic. Well, I did. And then stuff started coming at me and happening. And I was like, oh my goodness. But I'm staying positive, and I am declaring that everything is going to be great, that this is going to be a fantastic week ahead, and that you and I are going to have a magical, wonderful week. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get to some decorating. Okay, peeps, how was your weekend? Did you guys have a good weekend? I had a good weekend. I went to the Miami side of Florida, yesterday, because it was my girlfriend's daughter's birthday, and she turned 3. My little monkey, so cute, so cute, y'all, so cute. When kids are that little, they're so cute. Oh my goodness! And it was that little birthday party for her. It was really nice, and my friend's parents are visiting. From Boston, so that was really nice to see them. It was really nice to connect with them and meet them and everything. So that was good. Other than that, it was a busy weekend. And you know me, I don't sit still. I don't like to sit still. I like to do lots of stuff. So Angela and I painted. Well, more Angela painted than I painted. Angela helped me paint on Saturday while I cleaned, but you'll see what she painted on another day because that has nothing to do with this video. Okay, today's video, I want to do a little DIY succulent centerpiece, floral arrangement. I'm going to do it with you guys, and then I'm going to show you where I'm putting it. It's following along in the series of Angela's bathroom makeover. So let's flip the camera around and get started. Okay, my sweet friends, so as you see here, I'm using that pot that we bought from Home Goods. Love it. It's Mexican pottery. Actually, I did look it up, and it is authentic Mexican pottery. And I'm just using the styrofoam blocks from the Dollar Tree, the foam floral blocks. And I'm just hot gluing them together. And I didn't even take the plastic off of them because you don't really have to. When you do projects like this, you don't really have to. So it's one less step. And here I am struggling with the sticker. I finally did get it off. You'll see that in a minute. Okay, so what I'm using here is a combination of the loose succulents that they had at Dollar Tree, and then some of those succulents that were in the little pots because I couldn't find enough succulents the day I went. And I'm just kind of positioning them around, trying to make the colors all kind of flow with one another and give it lots of interest and lots of texture. So that's all I've done. And I want to show you something that I'm going to use, or I think I'm using. Well, I'm using the reindeer moss to cover the styrofoam, and this stuff works fantastic. I'm going to give you a little trick. If you have one of those faux trees, use that stuff to cover the base of the faux tree. So I was going to use this dangly thing, but we'll see. I'm going to try it in the bathroom because I don't know how long it's going to hang down or whatever. And that's about it. Okay, guys, so we almost finished the succulent DIY. But what I want to do now is I want to show you where I want to put it. I'm going to put it in that window. But if I go close to the window right now, it glares and it makes like a lot of shadows. So don't want to do that right now. I'm going to take everything off the windowsill, you know, clean it up a little bit. And then I'm going to put the DIY on there, and I'll show you the other stuff that I want to put in the succulent arrangement. Now, I'm pretty sure that I got these at Mainstay. Where is that? Oh, Walmart. I got these at Walmart. Okay. I got these at Walmart. And I think this like greeny chartreuse color, I don't know what these are. Amaranthus. I don't know. That's what it says here. I don't know if that is correct or whatever it is. But that's what it says it is. So we'll just go with that. I'm going to put them in the arrangement, but let me clean that off first. Before we get to that, I wanted to show you these. These are curtain tie backs, guys. And they have this really cute, like, boho look to them. With the braids and the cords and the, like, you know, natural looking stuff. And I just bought 2 of these from Ross. They came in a pack of 2. And they were very inexpensive. They were $3.99. And I think they just add that touch to these towels. Okay, guys. So all I'm trying to do here is put these in here in the styrofoam to hang down. But I don't know if I necessarily like this. Okay, what happened to this one? I don't know if I like this. Okay, now that I look at this, I really don't like this. I am going to take this out and I'll be right back. Okay, my sweet friends, that is the end of the video. So whatever those hanging things were, they didn't work for me. What I really wanted was this little hanging succulent that looks round, but I couldn't find them. I went to Hobby Lobby to look for them also, and I couldn't find them. If anybody knows where I can find those, you know which ones I'm talking about? They're like, they look almost like green beads, like a chartreuse green succulent bead. Those are the ones I'm looking for, and they're much shorter, and I think they would look much better in that. And also, I think that I should go to the Dollar Tree and get a few more succulents and just build it out more, like build it out. So hit and miss, like that is real life decorating, right? It's a hit and miss. We do something, we look at it again, and we see if we like it or we don't like it. So that is, you know, how it goes in real life decorating. I still haven't picked out fabric for Angela's curtain. There's still a bunch of DIYs to do in this bathroom. But as you all know, I work full time and I don't always have all the time in the universe to do all these things. But I'm really, really enjoying, you know, doing some projects around the house. Been here for just over a year. And these are projects that I really wanted to get at. So you'll be seeing a bunch of, a few renovating things going on in the near future. And speaking of the near future, okay, before I end my video, I know, Chatty Cathy, I've noticed that everybody's in the fall kick. So I'm going to get my fall stuff out today. So stay tuned for videos like that, and I'll catch up with you soon. And remember, Monday is the greatest day of the week. Declare what you want to come into your life. Take that negativity and throw it out the door. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. I'll catch you guys real soon. Bye, guys.